If you're looking at investment property in Savannah and you don't have a systematic way to evaluate deals, you're just gambling with your money. I'm Julie Gates, and then in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact 7 point checklist my team uses to find smart, cash flowing real estate deals. Here's what I see happening every week. Investors find a property that looks good on paper, but they don't know how to properly vet it. Is it really undervalued? Can you renegotiate the price? Can you bring it down? Will it still cash flow if you have a vacancy? Most investors are flying blind. Look, I've been investing in Savannah since 2004. I've seen deals that looked amazing turn into disasters because the investor did not know what questions to ask. That's why we created this 7 point checklist. Before we recommend any deals to our clients, we vet it using these exact criteria. Because here's the thing, every agent on Team 912 is an investor themselves. We apply the same standards to our own investments. This checklist shows you how to spot undervalued properties, when and how to negotiate price reductions, how to research rental comps like a pro, and how to plan your rehab strategy. Evaluate locations for tenant demand and stress test deals at realistic occupancy rates. Our clients use this exact framework to buy with confidence. Shama, a seasoned investor, called us a one-stop shop for cash flowing properties. John said we handled an impossible deadline like it was everyday business. This checklist is what separates smart investors from gamblers. I'm giving you this checklist completely free. The same 7 point framework we use to protect our clients and our own portfolios. Fill out the form below and you'll get instant access to the PDF. But here's the bonus. You'll also be added to our exclusive buyers list. And honestly, we'd love to represent you in purchasing cash flowing real estate right here in Savannah. We don't just hand you a checklist and walk away. We want to work with you serious investors who understand the value of doing deals the right way. You'll get first access to off-market properties, investor-ready deals, and our full support through the entire process. Fill out the form now, get the checklist, join our buyers list, and let's start building your Savannah portfolio together. Because we're